I once went camping with a buddy named Dave who proudly showed off his ultralight setup, basically a ripped tarp and a jar of peanut butter. He said, "Real campers don't need trailers, just courage and a headlamp." Yeah, well, Dave also forgot his tent stakes and spent the night hiding from raccoons in my van. Before we dive into the plywood and aluminum goodness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button like it owes you gas money. Now, the Roadrunner ED is handmade in Arizona by a crew of actual humans with actual tools. No factory lines here. Just folks who probably know how to use a tape measure better than I know how to operate my espresso machine. This teardrop is built on a heavy-duty steel tube frame with leaf spring suspension, perfect for those roads that are more pothole than pavement. Clad in raw-looking anodized aluminum, the Expedition Delux is rugged in that I lift rocks for fun kind of way. On top, a roof rack ready for a tent or 5 kayaks, depending on your level of ambition. 2 optional awnings, custom fenders with side steps, nose cone storage, and a full spare tire mounted up front. One of my favorite features is the rear galley. Pop the hatch and boom, countertops, slide-out cooktop, and a fridge on rails. Inside, you'll find Baltic birch panels, a convertible sofa to bed setup, cabinets, drawers, LED lighting, USB ports, and a ceiling vent. Add 20 gallons, 75 liters, of fresh water and an outdoor shower, and you're nearly glamping, without sacrificing the sleep under the stars vibe. Customization is the real cherry on top. You want a custom kitchen layout? These folks will make it happen. Prefer to skip the extras and keep it bare bones? That's cool too. As for the price, it's not exactly public knowledge yet, but I think a basic unit could sit around $12,000, 11,000 euros, while the full-loaded version might nudge $20,000, 18,400 euros. Honestly, for handmade craftsmanship, off-grid potential, and more character than Cliff's beard oil collection, it's worth it.